Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Surgeon. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to position for the sandwich airdrop. Now, the sandwich airdrop is a streaming platform, a Web3 streaming platform. Sandwich is a kind of streaming site, Web3 style, a platform that makes it easy for creators and community to create and enjoy high quality movies and shows. Sandwich take the power of Solana to create transparent environment, allowing everybody to create, consume, and get rewarded. So now, to get into the sandwich airdrop, after clicking your referral link, you'll be brought to the site, but this is just the main site where you'll be told you click on select seat. So when you come to the site, you click on select seat, and then here you will have to enter the referral code of whoever is referring you. Let's say you're using my referral code now. You have to enter a code like this. You put this referral code to get an invite to use the seat. So let's say I put the code, oh, I've not copied it. The code here, then this button will come up and then you press login. So, but I have already logged in, so that's why I just showed you on the normal site. If you copy the code like this, you'll be brought to login. Then when you click on login, it will move on and all that, trying to verify the code and all that. So that is it. When you get the code, then you log in. Then when you log in, you will now these points will start counting automatically, which you will be earning popcorn points. Then if you come below their tax, the more tax you complete, the higher points per second you get for your seat. Like now, I'm on a basic seat. You can upgrade your seat to premium seat, but I think to go on premium seat, you have to pay some tokens to be in the front, like just like selecting the front seat in this front of the cinema. If you go to the movies, you selecting the front seat. So here we now you connect your Telegram, Discord, create profile, connect X, follow sandwich on X, and the rest. You will get more points. There are some other tasks here, but I haven't done. I'm waiting for them to update. So by doing all these tasks, you will get more multipliers. Like you can see, I have 6.70. So by doing that, you will get more multipliers for your coin to get more popcorn coins per second. So that is just all you have to do. After doing it once, you just sit back, relax, and let it be counting while you wait for the TGE. It's as simple as ABC. There's no more stress for the sandwich airdrop. So let's position ourselves and see you on the side of minting. So if you are new to this video, please do like and subscribe and join the Telegram community for more updates. Thank you.